Oh, the sweet code book right here, 2020 edition. This is what I'm currently on in my state for about 3 days, and then they should be adopting the 23. But let's go into a little Annex C conduit fill tables. This is the cheat sheet tables right here. You can see you got C1, C1A. Don't get confused. The A is for compact conductors. There's a little asterisk right underneath this that tells you that. So you want the one if you're using regular fixture wires. This table is based on 40% pipe fill over 2 wires in a pipe. And it's also based on wiring with the same size wire and the same insulation. It's a cheat sheet. This is an easy identifier where you can just go. I always go to the THHN because that's just typically what we use in the field, at least in the commercial side of the industry. And if you need to get further information, you go to Chapter 9 tables. If you have different size wires, Table 1 right here tells you over 2 wires, it's a 40% fill. That's where you get that information. And don't forget about note number 4 down here, the nipple rule. Yes, I said nipple. 24 inches or less, you can fill a nipple 60%. Also, there's no derating on that nipple either. So that'd be like a gunner from a panel to a trough. Just don't make it larger than 24 inches. And here's the charts for these. This gives you the over 2 wires 40% right there. The 60% fill. This is EMT. You can go through all these tables, whatever conduit you're using. Remember, Chapter 9, Table 4 is your interior core. Table 5 is your wire size. You flip over, this will tell me all my area or my inches squared of each type of insulation wire. One thing to watch out for, especially guys going to take their exam, is that little asterisk next to RHW. That means something. It's with outer covering and without outer covering. But here we are to THHN. Go over, take a look at it. You can see number 12 is 0.0133 and so on. That little rhythm and rhyme is from Mike Norris. Chapter 9, Table 4, Interior Core. Chapter 9, Table 5, Wire Size. Mike Norris is a guy I teach with. Phenomenal teacher up in Madison Park in Boston and has some incredible rhythm and rhymes for this book. But here we are again. This tells you. So let's do a little math out here, right? So let's say I have 10 number 12s, 6 number 10s, and 4 number 8s in a conduit. Let's see what size pipe we need, because it's not always the same size. We can't just go to Annex C for cheat sheet. So number 12 tells me that it's 0.0133, number 10, 0.0211, 0.0366. Add this all up, do the math, get a calculator, you come up with 0.406 inches squared. So I need to find a conduit that is going to go ahead and fit this size pipe. So I go up here, I compare over 2 wires because we have a lot of wires in that pipe. Not quite in the 1 inch. It fits in 1 1/4 inches. Plenty of spare room. There's it. That's how you figure it out, guys. Annex C is for the same size conductors, and Chapter 9 will guide you to finding. That's conduit fill for the day.